Hey guys, my name's Sierra. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Juvia's Place Concealer and Foundation that I just received in the mail today. It was newly released with 42 different shades in the foundation and 24 shades in the concealer. If you guys want to see how I got this look and what I think, please keep watching. This is the package that it came in, this box. And then it had some foamy plastic stuff. I'm not really impressed with that. Since it was such a small package, I kind of would have rather it been in like a envelope or something like that. A lot of these brands, they waste a lot of paper and plastic on these makeup products, and I just don't think it's necessary. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Oh, I just dropped that, by the way. I Am Magic Velvety Flat Foundation. Sorry, I'm trying to read about, okay. Yes, the I Am Magic Foundation. I got the shade 600. There are actually 42 different foundation colors, so that's awesome. Super inclusive. They have lots of deep colors for darker skinned women or boys, and I just think that's awesome because nowadays, like, we want to make sure that everybody is included. Everybody can wear makeup. Everybody can feel beautiful no matter what their skin tone is. And I really love that about them. So I think that's really cool. And another cool tidbit too is the darkest shade is actually the smallest number. Like Sudan is 100, which is the deepest shade that they offer on Juvia's Place. And then Mercier, I hope I'm saying that right, Mercier is number 740. So that's awesome. Moving on, I got the I Am Magic Concealer right here. Packaging is beautiful too, by the way. I love this coral color. Look at these queens on here, like, come on. Okay, so I got the shade J20 in the concealer. There are 24 different concealers that they have available. Price range was $14. I don't think that's bad at all. Meets you right in the middle from like high-end to drugstore, so that's cool. The foundation's $20. First time opening it. Show you guys what it looks like. Oh wow. Okay, this is small. The ball that it comes in looks tiny, but there is 1 ounce of foundation in here, it says. And then I'm gonna open up the concealer. Oh wow. Wow, this is huge. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so between ColourPop Tarte and then this one, I feel like this one has more product. Let's see. 10 milliliters in this one. Oh, 10. What the? Okay, I guess all these are like the same amount of product. They just look different, so I felt like this had more, but whatever. The packaging is super cute. Apply product with a wet beauty sponge or synthetic makeup brush with a sweeping and buffing motion all over the face. So I'm gonna shake this up. Now, since it is full coverage, I'm gonna try not to use too much product. Sealed. Now, I'm hoping that the shade that I got isn't too light, but like, I can always fix that with bronzer. I don't know, it's so hard to pick your shade online, but the girl that's on here, she's like very light skin. Picture. Oh God, she's so beautiful. She's so pretty. All right, so this is what it is. This is what it looks like. It is not moving. See that? Looks pretty light, but I don't know. Guess we'll find out. All right. I'm just gonna apply it like how I apply it every other. Wow, it's thick for sure. All right, so I'm gonna warm it up on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna dot it all over my face. Yeah, I have my damp Beauty Bakery sponge. It is clean. I just got foundation on it. Wow. It's clean. It's just that my my cleanser that I use for it, it's like a charcoal cleanser, so it discolored it, but it's straight. I cleaned it. All right, I'm just gonna now beat my face with this. And I still have some product left on my hand, but I didn't feel like I needed more of this. So I'm gonna blend this out and then let you guys know what I think. Almost like this stuff just erased my pores. Like, can you, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but like, God, my brows are fucked up right now. I need to fix this. Definitely too light, I think. Like, yeah, that, wow. Okay, I feel like I look like a ghost. That's okay. We're gonna put some bronzer on and we're gonna make it work. We'll make it work. Everything's fine. But wow, I mean, my skin looks good so far. So now I'm gonna go on with the concealer. Like I said, it's the shade 20, so it's a couple shades lighter than this, hopefully. This is the wand, like that. I'm just gonna go in for it. Nice and creamy. That's like, I want to say like, it reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape, except not as like dry feeling. That's how I feel so far, just putting it on my skin. So we'll see how I feel after I blend it. All right, let's go ahead and blend this out. You guys see me? It blends out really nice, as you guys can see, hopefully on camera. Okay, pretty. I always get eye boogers when I'm blending my, maybe they're already there, I don't know. Okay, that's cute. You guys see that? Blends really nicely. Doesn't really like move. Let me see. Yeah, it's definitely nice to let it set some because it's pretty creamy. So leave it on your face for like at least a minute or two. I would leave it on for like 30 seconds to a minute. I feel like I can even put another small layer underneath there and I'd be fine. Just a little bit. Brighten them up a little more. And it looks like kind of orangey yellow on my skin, but that's good because that should be able to cancel out some of the darkness I have underneath my eyes. So yeah. Just gonna use the same blender. It's getting kind of dry right now. I'm gonna fan my, where's a little fan at or something? use whatever to dry it out. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my under eyes. I'm going to use my Mercier translucent powder. Same thing everyone uses because it's the only thing that works for me. And I like the RCMA one too, but my daughter ruined that. She poured it out everywhere, so. And I haven't bought any more because it was a brand new bottle. I was really upset about that. Alright, let me see. Okay, so it creases a little bit, but I mean, with it being that creamy, that's kind of normal. Nothing major. I honestly have never found a concealer that hasn't creased on me. Even the Tarte one, they all crease. Okay, it just set right underneath there for now. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to fix my eyebrows because they look crazy, and I'm going to put my bronzer and my contour and stuff off camera, and then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think. Okay, so let's chat. I really like the foundation. It's super full coverage. I feel like my flaws are hidden, and I feel like a bad bitch, so I like it. Now the concealer, I don't not like the concealer, but I can't tell if I like it. Only because like my face looks good from here, but like if you're up close, I'm sure you guys can see the creasing underneath my eyes. Now I don't know if I didn't set them right, or I'm just ugly. I don't know, but I do know that there is creasing underneath my eyes. Maybe I'm just getting older. I did put my eye cream on though. I don't know if my eyes usually look like this. I usually don't analyze them as much as I am right now because I'm trying to review this, but like, I don't know. I'll try it again. But my first impression of this foundation, love it. I like the color. Maybe I just do in here though. Like maybe if I don't know. Maybe a little more bronzer, not sure. I don't know. Would I purchase it? Absolutely. Like you have to try it out for yourself. I'm not really sure like how it'll work on your skin. But for me, with my acne scarring and like my enlarged pores, I feel like it's definitely camouflaged with this foundation concealer. I feel really pretty in it, so I definitely give it a thumbs up. I would purchase if I was you guys. If not, I'm sure you can return it. I don't know if they take returns on Juvia's place, but like, this is awesome. Like, I feel so pretty. Like, I want to go out right now, and it's 12:20. I don't have anyone to go out with, so yeah. Well, if you guys like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications too so you can be seeing a lot more videos that I'll be posting soon. Thanks for watching, guys.